Hey guys, another day here at the shop. Check it. Just got some more pallets in, so we gotta do that. But first, thought I'd share a little bit of Japanese history with this beautiful HKS racing suction. I can't read Japanese. I mean, I love sushi. It's the same. We have two acnes. Anyway, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing on this intake. So let's get to it. Since 1973, HKS has been one of the lead brands for performance products, and it definitely shows with the HKS Super Suction. This is an amazing intake with a very, very unique design. It's also a very famous design that a lot of people have tried to replicate but just can't seem to get right. Now, the intake does feature a removable, washable intake itself. It does come with your hose that you will need, your couplers and clamps, and a couple of zip ties and brackets along with the instructions. Now, on this specific kit, it is direct from Japan, so everything is going to be in Japanese on this one. We're just going to do a quick look over of it and go from there and move on. You do, as I said, receive your zip ties, your hoses, your clamps, all necessary equipment to do an install. This specific kit is for A86, so every kit's going to be different as far as the products that it does come with inside for installation. Here we have the actual intake itself, the famous honeycomb design. Absolutely love this thing. For more HKS products, check us out online at speedzone-web.com, or you can give us a call at 407-846-8430.